Barrel come. My husband just got back from Jamaica, and today I'm going to show you all the goodies that he brought from me. This is one of my love language. Where should I start? Let's see. First, we're going to start off with the guava leaf. This is guava leaf. Cinnamon bush. Pimento leaf and stick. The heart of Jamaican spices. Pimento berries are allspice. Not gonna beat Jamaican pimento berry. The one them up here just don't. Them not smell nothing like this. Coming up is the sea moss or Irish mash. Look how much. We got like 3 bags of these, you know, because we love Irish mash, you know. Got some more. Got some more. Breadfruit. Oh yeah, breadfruit too. And look at them, like them almost ripe or yellow hot. But I'm grateful for them. I'm gonna really get good breadfruit ever like that. Next up, sugar cane. We get some cane. Some good old sweet cane. Next up is some fish fresh from the ocean of Jamaica. We get some crab too, some Jamaican land crab. Yes, we get land crab. It is expensive, but I think it was worth it. Thank you. And you know, I always cook some more of my seasoning. I love the seasoning. Just put all jerk seasoning. I put it on anything. It smells so good, man. It is such a gem. Oh no, look here. It even brings scotch bonnet pepper. It brings some scotch bonnet pepper too. Oh sweet, that's nice, huh? Scotch bonnet pepper. June plum. What do you call these in your country? Jamaican better pot curry. This is how I make the curry nice and pretty, you know. Mixed spice. If you know some, you get some. This nice up anything from porridge to cake to pudding. Run go get some, you know. Alright, peanut. I guess you want me to make peanut porridge, don't you? Or strong back again. Which one? So I know Easter, but we have some bun. We get a bun, so we get some bun. Up next we have Shalian. I mean Grace. If you don't have the one with Shalian pan it, where you even buy sachets for? Thank you. Milo. Me tell him so we have Milo up here and by him say Jamaica Milo better, so him bring Milo too. Blue Mountain coffee, yes. We not drink coffee, tea, mango time. Yes. Nutmeg with maize. I love a good nutmeg with maize pan it, because I like use the maize in a porridge. Love that. One of Jamaican national food, patty. Beef patty. I like beef patty. A beef patty. When I want them in an air fryer and not nice and crispy like this, put them on reheat and them good to go like you just buy them from the shop. Some young soursop to him, so they can make tea with our punch with young soursop. So him bring back some young soursop too. And you know, coming back to America, you can't forget to stop at the duty free to grab some rum. You know, so I was at Admiral with nephew and everything. And Christmas I come, so I need a rum. Stone ginger wine. And big up all the Vibes Cartel fandom. Fever! Why are you? I'm gonna show you know what it is. Magnum. I'll bust some in right now and drink something. Cheers. So they made just Magnum, you know? I drink the tonic and make it hot already. Look here again. Jamaican blue power kick so. Jamaican castor oil, all natural. Last but not least, we also got some raw honey from Jamaica. Cause cold season will come up and you don't know if you might catch a cold or something. Even though them have honey up here, but you can't trust them. Big up my husband for the haul. It's the little things that bring you back home even when you're far away. Thank you. Drop a Jamaican flag in the comment section if you miss yard. Let me know what you miss the most, like what product or what food. So this is the end of the haul today. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys. Thanks for stopping by.